Harsh. For today, I will be taking your session. Okay, can you introduce yourself? Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, my name is Harshvat. My favorite hobbies are to do skating
Okay.
and cook and uh, and doing exercise.
Oh, you like exercise? That's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so today we are going to learn the word. Do you know what perimeter and area is? Have you ever heard of the word perimeter?
Ma'am, I know how to calculate perimeter, but I don't know about area.
You know how to calculate perimeter? Okay, so if I give you a shape like this, can you calculate the perimeter of the shape? Yes.
23.
23, yes. So you know what perimeter is. So basically the perimeter is the boundaries, right?
Ma'am.
Great. So today we are going to learn about area. Okay. So as the perimeter is the boundaries of the shape, area is the inside of this shape, the space inside the shape. So let's say if this is the shape I have, it will cover some space. It will have some space in between, right? This is known as the area. So basically area is the space inside the shape. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right, so area is the space inside the shape. Now today we are going to learn the area of the two different figure. One is square and the second one is rectangle. Can you tell me what a square is? What's the difference between a square and a rectangle?
Ma'am, rectangle is more wider than it.
So okay, more wider than the square. So that's the only difference. There is no other difference.
And ma'am, square is having all the side equal, but rectangle is having only opposite sides equal.
Right, very good. So the main difference between a square and a rectangle is that in square all the sides are equal. So all the sides are, let's say, S S S. While in rectangle we have two different names. This one is known as the length and this side is known as the width or the breadth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how will I find the area? To find the area, what we do is we multiply the horizontal side with the vertical side. What we do? We multiply horizontal side with vertical side. So this means if I have to find the area of a square, I'll multiply this side with this side. I'll multiply this side with this side. Yes, Harsh?
Okay, ma'am.
She's asking you,
Right.
right?
So when you multiply horizontal, sorry, are you saying something?
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
I'm saying, okay, now am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm saying when we find the area, we multiply horizontal side with the vertical side. So in this square, this one is the horizontal side. Yes, Harsh. And this is the vertical side.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, he is little confused about the horizontal and vertical sides. That is
Okay, okay.
horizontal.
So Harsh, horizontal is the sleeping. You know the sleeping lines?
Yes, ma'am.
This is horizontal is another name for the sleeping line, and Vertical is the another name for the standing line. So
Okay, ma'am.
what are the vertical lines? The standing lines are the vertical lines and the sleeping lines are the horizontal lines. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Harsh, if you're
Okay, ma'am.
confused about something, you have to tell me. Okay? Otherwise, how will I know
Okay,
that you
ma'am.
don't know what horizontal and vertical is? Right?
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
let's get back to it. Now, so when I say I'll multiply horizontal and vertical, this means I'll multiply this and this.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say that the area of the square is side times side? Because all the
Yes,
sides
ma'am.
are equal, so I'm just multiplying the side 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
And similarly, if I need to calculate the area of a rectangle, now you will tell me in this what is which one is the horizontal side? Length is the horizontal side or width is the horizontal side?
Ma'am, length is a horizontal line.
Right, length is the horizontal side and width is the vertical side.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say that the area of rectangle will be length times width?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So
Ma'am,
how
I'm
do you
doing this first time. That's why
sorry?
I'm a bit confused. Ma'am, I'm doing this first time. That's why I'm a bit confused.
It's fine, it's fine. It's fine to be good. It's fine. No problem. I'll explain again if you're confused, okay? No worries. So area of the square is side times side and area of a rectangle is length times width. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now let's try one question. Okay. Let's say this is the square you have, and
Ma'am,
the side.
ma'am, ma'am, can we opposite the both things like we can write width multiply by length or length multiply by width. It will be the
Yes.
same thing or not?
Yes. Okay. You
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me. Okay. You tell me. Is 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 are the same thing or not?
Ma'am, same.
Same. So when you multiply two things, na, either you multiply length times width or you multiply width times length, you will get the same answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In multiplication, you can change the positions and you'll still get the same answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's say I have a square which has a side of 4 centimeter. So what should be my area?
Ma'am, 8.
No, I'll multiply. 4 times 4 is?
Ma'am, 8. Oh, sorry,
No,
ma'am.
4 times 4 is not 8.
16, 16.
16. Yes. So
Ma'am,
my area
by
will be,
mistakenly, I was pressing it.
yeah, it's
Ma'am,
fine.
by mistakenly, I was additioning it.
Yeah, you were adding them. It's okay. It happens. And now say this is a rectangle and the length is 5 and the width is 6. So what will be the area for this rectangle?
30.
30. Very good. Okay. Now, um, Harsh. Now, Harsh, I will give you two different situations and you will tell me, will you calculate the area in it or will you calculate the perimeter in it? Okay. Think
Okay, ma'am.
carefully. So let's say you have a garden, okay, and you want to put fencing around your garden. Do you know what the word fencing means?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now you tell me, will you find the perimeter in it or will you find the area in it?
Uh, Ma'am, I think perimeters.
Why you think perimeter? What's the reason for the perimeter?
Because ma'am, first we have to calculate side, the length of the sides of the garden. That's why we can. That's the only way from which we can fence the boundaries.
Right. So fencing means we'll move around the boundaries of the garden, right? So I'll find the
Yes, ma'am.
perimeter. Perfectly fine. Now let's talk about this. Let's say you have a room which is in a square shape and you want to change the carpet of your room. Okay? Now will you find the area or the perimeter?
Ma'am, area.
Area. Why area?
Ma'am, because we have to calculate the uh, the area of the room to measure the carpet.
Right. I need the area, I need the space inside the room to measure how much of carpet I will be needing. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what if you want to paint a wall? You want to paint a rectangular wall. What will you calculate?
Area.
Area. Very good. Because we paint on the full wall, not only on the boundaries, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now one more. You are decorating the bulletin board of your class. You have to put black borders around it, black borders on the board. What will you calculate? Area or the perimeter to find how many length of what is the length of the border you need?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of bulletin board?
Bulletin boards. Have you seen the boards in the class where we put all the green boards होते हैं उसके ऊपर we put the information?
Yes, ma'am.
That
Yes,
that
ma'am.
are the bulletin boards. Okay.
Ma'am, perimeter.
Perimeter. Yes. Very good. We will calculate the perimeter. Okay. Now, what if you want? Okay. Now let's do this one. Calculate the area of a garden of a rectangular garden whose length is 10 meters and breadth is 5 meters.
Ma'am, 50.
Yes, very good. What did you do?
Ma'am, I multiplied the width and the length.
Yes, very good. Perfect. Now, let's do one more. Okay. Now, let's try a little trickier one. You want to change the carpet of having length as 5 meters and breadth as 2 meters. You have a carpet of length 3 meters and breadth 4 meters. How much of the carpet you will not use? First, what we'll do?
Ma'am, just a
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Harsh.
1 meter. Ma'am, 1 meter and 2 meters.
No. First
Ma'am,
calculate the first calculate the area of the room. What is the area of the room?
ma'am, the area of the room should be 10 meters.
10 meters square. Very good. And what is the area of the carpet you have?
Ma'am, 3, 3 and 4 meters.
So 3 times 4 is what?
Ma'am, 12.
12. So you have a carpet of 12 and you have a room of 10. So how much of the carpet you have extra?
Ma'am, 2 meters.
2 meters square. Yes?
Okay,
Got it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Harsh, for today we'll keep it till here only. Do you have any doubts from what we have learned
No,
today?
ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll
No,
see
ma'am.
you again next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.